Well, there's been a small uptick in whooping cough cases locally. Now, whooping cough, or pertussis, is a highly contagious bacterial infection that starts out with cold-like symptoms, but it can quickly become more severe. Now, health experts say it's not uncommon to see a few cases like this this time of year, and it serves as a reminder to stay up to date on your vaccines, especially to protect those most vulnerable, like infants and people with weakened immune systems.
If people have had a cough that's been going on for more than 2 or 3 weeks and it's not getting better, or maybe let's say it's getting deeper or chestier, like it's really starting to hurt, that would be a good time to reach out to your healthcare provider.
And the best way to prevent the spread is to follow the usual rules for when you're sick. Stay home, wear a mask, and practice good hygiene.